this to this. Like, I realized for me, it's better to wash my hair once a week. How I started looking at that is just like we bathe, just like we brush our teeth and everything like that. Washing your hair is just as important. So that definitely got rid of a lot of the buildup that would accumulate throughout the week. Whether you keep your hair oiled, whether you keep it in protective styles or whatever it is, it accumulates dirt.
Oil daily. Oil daily.
The oil that I've been using is this one right here. This one is by Eden. It's a peppermint tea tree oil. I love, 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 love this oil. I'm gonna squirt it on my hair so you can see what it looks like. Right after a great hair wash, it is like really soothing. Your scalp feels really clean. It's really good with just keeping your hair moisturized throughout the entire day, and I love that. So trimming your ends, I really didn't even think that this step actually worked, because I thought like, okay, well, your hair grows from the root, so why does the ends really matter? The reason why is because it grows from the root, but in order for it to grow, the ends have to be properly cut, okay? And I like to cut my hair when it's straight, because that's the only time I can really see it. Like if you see now, my hair looks like it's healthy, but I have a few dead ends. Look at that, dead ends. It's important you get rid of them dead ends in your life. You know what I'm saying? We don't need nobody who ain't here to stay. What? Oh, nah, we got that deep condition on this side. We don't need you, bro. Nah, bro. Trim them dead ends. And let's get our hair back to what we know it can be. Like, so the deep conditioner that I literally just finished this here. It's by Eden. It's very moist. Like, and that's one main thing that I love, 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 love about this deep conditioner. It's very moist. It smells amazing. I can honestly say that this stretches my hair. The vitamins that I have been using, I know you guys seen it. Main Choice, Main Choice hair vitamins. When I actually came across Main Choice, I tried it, I fell in love with it because I see it. It's like I saw immediate growth. Like, but I switched from Main Choice to 𝓁𝑒𝓉'𝓈. And the reason why I love 𝓁𝑒𝓉'𝓈, however she pronounces it, 𝓁𝑒𝓉'𝓈. To me, I always feel like vegan is just the most natural that it can be. So, yeah. If y'all have any questions, just let me know. Shit. Bye-bye. Birthday today.
Pisces in the house, you know it. Always know, show, improve. You know Pisces is here, you know what to do.